Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G20 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced, and right under it we've got reset options, so let's enter. And as you can see on the second position we've got the option we're looking for, so just tap on it, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset up preferences, and actually this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your NOKIA G20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.